Hi everyone, I'm Mike, 184 Aerospace. This is the start of my level 3 certification process for Tripoli Rocketry Association. I've worked with my TAPs and I've purchased a Wildman Rocketry Journey 200 kit. It's a 8-inch diameter fiberglass kit. It's about 9.5 feet tall and it's all finished. We've taken some time and already washed this with Dawn and water, and then wiped it down again with isopropyl alcohol to make sure we've got all the mold really soft. You know, these things are made very well, but they've got a lot of stuff that doesn't allow the epoxy to stick to it. So we have to make sure we wash that off well. I've already dry fitted a lot of the components together before sanding. There is some sanding work that obviously needs to be done to make things fit properly. Go over some precautions for fiberglass. It's dirty, it's messy, it's itchy. We don't want it in our skin and in our lungs. I recommend nitrile gloves or latex or whatever you prefer. I also recommend a respirator. At minimum, an N95 mask. They should be a lot easier to come by these years than they were in prior years. Also, get all your own supplies. Don't take things from the house and try to multitask with them. We don't want any of this fiberglass residue in our foods, in our floors, and in our house, in our daily lives. So take those precautions. We're going to assemble this with West Systems epoxy and hardener, and we're going to use chopped fiberglass for fillet reinforcements internal, and I haven't decided yet. We'll probably use a Loctite high sol for the external fillets just to make it look good, and then we are going to tip fiberglass the fins with some 6-ounce, probably 2 to 3 layers, 6-ounce glass once we got this assembled. We're going to go with standard dual deployment with the ab bay in the center and the switch band per normal old school rocket. I thought about doing the head end dual deploy on this, and I also thought about doing a parachute bag release like a real big parachute would do, but I want to keep this simple, make sure everything comes back down and works well. This flight is not about being innovative, it's about flying your level 3 certification flight. Keep it simple. So my first thing that I'm more than likely going to do is assemble the ab bay, the nose cone, shoulder, and get that taken care of. I will document that when that process comes and make a video for that as well. So I appreciate your time. I hope you guys stick around through the build process, learn something. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks.